Hello everyone, my name is Victor Brimer. I welcome you all back to this channel. In today's class, we are going to be discussing the difference between solar panel efficiency and the performance ratio. You know, people sometimes get confused when they go to the market, they buy solar panels, let's say 300 watts, and on the nameplate, they are saying 21% as the efficiency. But getting to site, they are actually pulling 450 watts out of the 300 watts. So they become confused. If the solar panel is actually 21% efficient, how come I'm pulling out 450 watts out of this solar panel? So in today's class, you will get to understand the reason why you are pulling 250 watts out of your 300 watts panel. Just stay with us, please. Don't forget to like our video, share, drop your comment always, and subscribe. So what is solar panel efficiency? Solar panel efficiency is the ratio of the actual output power of your solar panel to the solar irradiance. Solar panel efficiency and performance ratio. The difference. Now we say the solar panel efficiency is the ratio of the output, the actual output power of your solar panel to the solar irradiance multiplied by what? 100. So this is the formula for calculating the efficiency of your solar panel. So I will start with the solar irradiance. What is solar irradiance? Solar irradiance is the instantaneous power from the sunlight per unit area. The instantaneous power from the sunlight per unit area. The unit for measuring solar irradiance is watts per meter square. Watt per meter square is the unit for measuring solar irradiance. Please note there's a difference between solar irradiance and solar irradiation. Solar irradiation is the aggregation of solar irradiance over a period of time. It's just a solar energy. Solar irradiance is solar energy, while solar irradiation is solar energy, while solar irradiance is your solar power from the sunlight. And 1000 watts of this was used to determine the efficiency of your solar panel. You know, I said that this efficiency is a laboratory metric that was used to determine the performance of your solar panel. So if 1000 watts of this is sent into, let's say for instance, 300 watts, and you are getting 250 watts. Now, what is the efficiency of your solar panel? It is very simple. It means the efficiency is the 250 watts, which you are getting out of this as a result of this input solar power, which is the solar irradiance, divided by what? 1000 watt per meter square times what? 1000. Now, if you divide this by this, what will you have? you have 0.25. 0.25 times 100. That gives you 25%. This is just an instance, although we have solar panels now that have as high as 25% efficiency. You understand? So this is how to determine your solar panel efficiency. This is how it was determined. So if you see a solar panel and you see efficiency of 21%, so don't be surprised. This was used, it's a metric that was used in the laboratory to determine the performance of your solar panel. It is what? The actual output power of your solar panel all over what? The solar irradiance. And you know this must have been carried out during the peak sun hours. You take note of that. Just like when you install your solar panel, during that peak sun hour, you can actually install 3 kilowatt solar panel and you are pulling out 2.8 kilowatt. It's very, very possible. For a panel that is 25% efficient, you can put close to that value. So that is that. Now we now discuss what we call performance ratio. So what is performance ratio? The performance ratio is talking of the performance of the total array of solar panels that was installed in a particular location. That is what we call what? The performance ratio. Please do not misquote performance ratio with what? Solar panel efficiency. Now, what is the formula for calculating performance ratio? PR is what? The actual output power of your solar panel over the theoretical output power times 100. So this is the formula for calculating the performance ratio of your solar panel. The actual output power of your solar panel over the theoretical output power. You have 300 watt. 300 watt is the theoretical output power. It is not the actual output power. There will be losses. Some losses due to dust, some losses along cables, what have you. So by the time you sum up everything together, the difference between the theoretical output power and the losses will give you the actual output power. If, for instance, you install, let's say, 2 kilowatt panel, and what you are pulling out of the 2 kilowatt is 1.6 kilowatt. Two kilowatt times 100. Now, what is the performance ratio? So we have 1,600 over 2,000. You have this, you have this. Then you have this, which is 8 over 10 times 100. You are having what? 80%. So if you install 1.6 kilowatt solar array, you install 2 kilowatt and you are pulling out a 1.6 kilowatt. It means the performance ratio of your solar system is what? Is 80%. So with this, if you are designing your solar system, you can use performance ratio of 80%. To get the total number of the total size of panel that will charge a particular battery, you can use this performance ratio. It is actually not the efficiency. So I know after today's class, there shouldn't be any confusion. There won't be any confusion again at all. So you use this. So with this, we bring the class to an end. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, share our videos, and anything you feel about the class, drop it in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.